if you want to use your object eraser and remove any objects from photos on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, locate your gallery. Now choose the photo which you want to edit, for example this one. Now tap on the pencil icon right here, and now tap on those 4 dots. Here choose object eraser, press continue. So first of all, your phone will give you some suggestions of what to erase, which is quite not logical if you would ask me. So I think I would much rather prefer to do that with my own hands. All right, so no other suggestions. Now we are to draw a line, or we are to measure by any possible meaning just the object which we want to erase. Right, there it is, and press erase. If it wasn't perfect from the first time, you can repeat this step, press erase second time, and press done when you are done. Now press save. You can save the original or save it as a copy, and basically that's it. That's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.